Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your screen timeout in a Vivo phone. So here, what you need to do first is go to the settings on your phone, and after that you can scroll down and tap on this display and brightness options. Okay, so in here on the display and brightness, you'll easily spot the screen timeout options right here. So my current setting is after 1 minute of inactivity. So if you want to change it, just tap on these settings in here. So you can change it between 15 seconds to 30 minutes. You can just change it how you like it. For example, I'm going to change it into 2 minutes, for example. So just click on the options, the new options that you want, and then let's go back, and you can see now it will change after you tap on that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.